version, much more thinner version of a pancake. You can make it sweet or savory, but me and Kota likes it with chocolate. I can't wait to start cooking. Yes. You need sugar, egg, melted butter, which smells awesome, right, Kota?
Yes.
And flour.
Yes.
And milk. First step, you need sugar and flour. And then you need to put it inside here. And then, can you put it inside, Kota? Mix really fast. Next step, we're gonna crack the egg. And then we're gonna put it inside this bowl. First,
Play-Doh.
made of egg.
Yeah.
After you mix really, really well, it should look like this. Really, really liquidy. Really liquidy. And then the next step, you gotta put the melted butter. Can you put the melted butter, Kota? I almost forgot to mention this. I love to add extra flavor to it, and I will add vanilla extract. It adds good flavor to it.
Let's do it.
Yes. This is the last step for making the crepe dough. We just gotta add the milk. So Kota, keep mixing at the same speed, okay?
Okay.
You can mix faster, okay?
Okay.
Ta-da! We made the crepe dough!
Yeah. My God!
Yay, we did it!
Yay!
We're gonna let it cook until we see some bubbles.
Yes.
Oh, I see some bubbles.
How about we
We
do
did it! Yay! We did it! We did it! Kota, you wanna try?
Yeah.
Okay, first I'm gonna fold it. So good. So good. Best crepe ever. Best crepe. Yes! We made the chocolate crepe!
We did it!
Yay! It's so good, right? Well, let me know if you want one, okay? Bye!
Bye.